So let's use the double angle formulas in order to find the exact value of the given expressions. So over here we are told we have 2 tangent 75 over 1 minus tangent squared 75. Now it specifically wants us to use the double angle formulas in order to help us simplify that. And the reason why they want us to use the double angle formulas is because if we take a look at what we actually have here, this is set up perfectly the way that the double angle formula here for tangent is. So the double angle for tangent is right over here. Tangent 2 theta is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. So we see here what we're given is set up perfectly to be our double angle formula, which means what we have here is equal to tangent 2 theta. So this here equals 2 tangent 2 theta, where theta for our example is 75. So what we really have here then is tangent of 2 times theta, where theta is 75. So this is really just tangent of 150. Now if you use your unit circle or plug this into the calculator here, tangent of 150 is equal to square root of 3 over 3. Now for our next example, we are given 1 minus 2 sine squared of 165. Again, what we're given here, matching this up to our double angle formulas, this falls in line with our double angle formula for cosine 2 theta. Again, we're given 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. And what we're told is that this equals to cosine of 2 theta here. So that's what we're really going to be plugging in here. Cosine 2 theta, or our theta is 165. So we really have cosine 2 times that theta of 165. This gives us cosine of 330 here. Now again, using our calculator or using our unit circle here, cosine of 330 degrees is equal to a square root of 3 over 2.